Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tutorialguru. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how to sign in on your Google Docs. For that, simply open any browser according to your preference. And on the browser, on the top of the screen, you'll be able to see search Google or type a URL. Click on that and you need to type a URL docs.google.com. Once you type in the URL, you need to press enter on the keyboard. And now you'll be taken to this page where you need to verify it's you. Click on next. And now you need to enter the password of your Google account. If you have forgotten password, simply click on forget password and reset from there. So now you have already been verified that it's your account. Once you're on the Google Docs, you have been open with your existing Google account. But if you want to create or sign in on your another Google account, then simply we need to click on the upper right corner Google account profile and now click on add account, or else you can also click on create account and create another account. Once you enter the email, you can click on next. You can enter email or phone, and now you need to enter your password. Once you have done that, you can click on next, or else if you have forgotten password, you can click on this forget password link and reset from there. So here you can see that I have signed in on the Google Docs using the another Google account. So this was it guys. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button, consider subscribing our channel, hit the notification bell to get the latest uploads from our channel. Thank you.